Good morning, students. Welcome to another biology class. So in today's class also we are going to continue the same topic, that is human reproduction. In the previous class we have discussed up to the female reproductive structure. In today's class we will continue with the study of or structure of external genitalia in female. So external genitalia part in female is also called the vulva, which is also called the vulva. And external genitalia is made by the parts, they are mons pubis, labia majora, labia minor, clitoris, hymen. So these are the parts which are observed in the external genitalia of female. Now let us draw the structure of all these parts. So the mons pubis is the fatty cushion like structure covered with the skin and pubic hairs. Mons pubis. And there is a cavities like structure . This is called the vestibule. Inside the vestibule, there are two openings. One opening or upper opening we call the urethral opening. And lower opening is called the vaginal opening or orifice. Vaginal opening. So in female, the urethral and vaginal openings are separate. Means urethral opening is meant for the passage of urine and vaginal opening is meant for the passage of menstrual flow, also for the transport or the movement of the semen during the intercourse. And the semen passes through the vagina to the upper portion of the uterus and up to the fallopian tube. So these two are separate in female. That's why we are not calling urinogenital organ. But in male, urethra is the common passage for the movement or the passage of semen as well as urine in male. That's why in male we used to call the genital organ. But here in female both are separate. So the next we will discuss about the membranes which are surrounding these structures. There is a paired membrane like structure . These two paired membrane structures are called the labia minora. Labia minor. And the junction between these labia minora, there is a structure, a erectile structure is present. This structure is called the clitoris. So clitoris is homologous to the penis of the male. Homologous. There are some organs which are homologous to the male reproductive system. Homologous to the male. So clitoris of female is equal to the penis in the male. These are the homologous organs. So homologous means we will study in the homologous and analogous organs in the evolution topic. But here I will mention only the definition. Means those have the same anatomical structure or origin but perform different function. So the clitoris and penis are the homologous organs. And so this labia minora is covered externally by the large membranous structure which extends from the mons pubis and covers up to the vaginal opening. This layer is called the labia majora, which extends from the mons pubis and it covers up to the vaginal opening. So here labia majora is homologous to the scrotum of male. Labia majora is homologous to the scrotum of male, a pouch-like structure where testes are located. So that resembles the labia majora. So next, we'll discuss about the one more structure. The vaginal opening is covered with partially it is covered with a membrane. This membrane is called the hymen. The vaginal opening is partially covered with a membrane. That membranous structure is called the hymen. Usually this hymen torn after intercourse, first intercourse. But sometimes due to the heavy activity in the female, it may rupture before intercourse also. So we have to keep it in mind. So the hymen is a partially covered membrane, the opening of vaginal opening. Usually it ruptures after first intercourse. But sometimes before intercourse, due to heavy activities or athletics or cyclists will get ruptured this hymen, and so that's why we should not keep any misbelief like that. So this is the structure of a female external genitalia. So one more structure is which is homologous in the female with the male, that is glands. On the other side, on both the sides of this vaginal opening, there are two glands. These glands are called the Bartholin's glands. Bartholin's glands. And these glands of Bartholin's glands of female are homologous to the bulbourethral glands or Cowper's glands of male. Cowper's glands of female. Male. So the external genitalia of female involves. So these are the structure, and actually how these are looking. So I have drawn with the diagram. I have explained all these parts with this diagram. This is the cavity. Within that there are two openings. Upper opening is called the urethral opening through which urine is passing. Lower opening is called the vaginal opening through which semen is passing during intercourse, and also menstrual flow is coming out, and is covered with a paired membrane structure for the labia minora. Junction between these two, there is a erectile tissue-like structure called the clitoris, which is homologous to the penis of the male. And these whole structures are covered by membranes, one more membrane-like structure which extends from mons pubis to the vaginal opening, and that we call the labia majora, which is homologous to the scrotum of male. And this is a fatty tissue which is covered with the skin and pubic hair. So we'll next discuss about the mammary gland of present in the female.